Taxonomies in our products are very important, since some customers search for products in Google using categories, tags or attributes. Therefore, it could be really useful to identify our product images using taxonomies in the alt text so that when users search for these keywords, they find the images in Google and are redirected to our store. The problem is that if you try to do this manually, it would take even days to do the whole process. That's why we are going to show you how to do it in a simple way using the Media Library Spreadsheet plugin, which shows you all your media files in a spreadsheet where you can do advanced searches and apply the changes massively in a few minutes. You'll find a link to download this plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. Once we have installed and opened our plugin, we will look for all the images to update. We will do this since the spreadsheet will show all types of files, such as videos, images, zip, audios, etc. It is necessary to search only for the images, since they will be what we'll edit. To do this, we will open the search tool and enable the advanced filters. Then select Format. The operator will be Contains. Now we will type image. And let's run the search so that all the images that we have in our site appear. After all the images were filtered, let's copy the product categories, tags, and attributes to their alt texts. For this, open the bulk editing tool. Once the tool is open, select this option to edit the result from our search. Then, look for the field alt text, which is the field we want to edit. Select the copy from other column option here. And choose the column taxonomies of parent post to copy the information from. Finally, execute. Now, you just need to wait until the plugin finishes applying all the changes, and you'll be done. What could take you entire days, will take you just some minutes, and that's great. Remember that you will find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.